I propagate a lot of non-programming tools on this channel, 3 in total at the moment. But this tool clearly kills anything else. How can anything compete with that? It's nearly impossible to comprehend all the features of this tool. And it learns from all GitHub users. Oh, I'm talking about the GitHub CoPilot, by the way. A tool from GitHub that should support its users while programming. And yes, it kinda does that. But it also creates stuff on its own. And if you're wondering how good this AI is, let's check this out. Okay, now here we are in our empty scene. So let's just create a... No, not the sphere. Let's create a capsule. This is our player. And we want the character movement script. Let it load. And we need our character controller. Okay. Let's open up the script. And now let's define for GitHub CoPilot that we actually want the character controller movement. So it knows we need a character controller, it knows we need speed, we need gravity, we need a jump height, we need a ground check with the ground distance and a layer mask. Okay, we don't actually need an animation because we're just using a fucking sphere. But we need the velocity. We need the bool if it's grounded. And there we have our update. And there's our complete function for moving. But also we need the start function to actually just get the character controller. Which is not a problem because CoPilot actually knows what we want. Every time I use this tool, I'm getting more and more overwhelmed. Okay, let's actually just check if this works. We need another empty, which is the ground check. Let's put it at -1, so it's on the bottom of our character. And get it the ground check. It works without any flaws. That's so weird. Yes, it needs to learn some more things until it's completely usable, but even the state now is pretty impressive. My honest opinion on GitHub CoPilot? I love that thing. But also mom picked me up, I'm scared. It's frightening how accurate GitHub CoPilot is and how good some functions are. Maybe you had some interactions with GitHub CoPilot. Tell me in the comments below. But yes, as every AI tool, it has some flaws. Sometimes it just recommends a bunch of variables with fancy names and then starts iterating through them with fancy names 1. But in general, it's a big help. When it's not distracting me with a huge ass function that no one needs. CoPilot, get your shit together. And sometimes it doesn't even recommend anything useful. It just starts with a bunch of variables that goes into infinity and beyond. And you still need some programming knowledge to fully use the tool. So it's not just like a plug and play thing. Because sometimes you need to create another class and you need to know when you need to create another class. GitHub CoPilot doesn't tell you that. But in general, that tool is awesome. It helps you with the small little things and it supports you with redundant tasks like creating a character controller and stuff. So it helps you to save time and still get on with your project, when it's not distracting you, by the way. But if you're interested in another video that helps you avoid programming, maybe check out this video right there. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!